Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Samsung Galaxy J6. So here is the smartphone. So first we are going to have a look at the physical overview of the phone, and then we are going to have a look at the specs and the inner features which it has. So first let's have a look. So here is the beautiful screen, Super AMOLED display. On the bottom you have the micro USB charging port, the mic, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Here is the power key and the speaker grills. On the top you don't get nothing. On the side there are a lot of things. So over here is the volume rocker, and over here is the two SIM trays, as you can see. So one is for the micro SD card and the other is for two SIM cards which you can put at the same time. So it's nice. So first let's have a look at that before going on to the other features. So as you can see over here is this is for the SIM 1, and I think so and the second one is going to be for the SIM 2 and the micro SD card, which we'll have a look now. So over here, as you guys can see, SIM 2 and micro SD card over here. So that's something nice. So that's all. And on the back you get the Samsung branding. Over here is a fingerprint reader. You get a 13 megapixel camera and the flash. On this side you get an 8 megapixel camera. The sensors are over here, if you can see it, and over here is the LED for the front facing flash, and here is the speaker. So now let's have a look at the inside functions, what it has, and let's have a look at the specs first which it has. So it has a Super AMOLED display. It has a 5.6 inch screen which has an aspect ratio of 18.5 by 9, and it has a pixel density of 720 by 1480. It is running on Android 8.0, which we'll have a look at it in a minute. It is running on chipset Exynos 7870 octa-core processor. It has a micro SD card which I've already showed it to you, and you can upgrade it to 256 GB. And this phone comes in two variants, that is 64 GB with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB with 3 GB RAM. So this one is the one with the 32 GB and has 3 GB RAM. Over here the camera has 13 megapixel ratio which has an aperture of 1.9, and over here the front facing camera is of 8 megapixel which has the same aperture of 1.9. Then that's it, I think so. The fingerprint reader, and I have showed it to you, and we'll be testing it that in a minute. It has a non-removable lithium-ion battery of 3000 mAh, and it comes in three variants, that's black, gold, and the blue which I have right now in my hand. So blue is something different color, and which is something you don't see it in everyone's hand. So if you want to go for something unique, go for this color. I am telling you, this retails for around 14,990 rupees in Indian currency or 180 euros, and the 64 GB variant comes in 16,990 rupees. So now I'll have the link of the phone and in the description down below. If you want to buy it, you are free and all. So now let's have a look at the Android version which it is running on. So smartphone Galaxy J6. software information Android. So as you can see, it says running on Android 8.0, and there is some update which has come, so which I'll upgrade, and I'll have a look at it, what's new. Over here let's have a look what all features it is packed with. So Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, portrait, torch, flight mode. That's all secure folder if you want to keep something private and public. If you are giving it to some people or like your kids and you want to keep things separate, so that's good for you. Blue light filter and smart view, phone visibility, ultra data saving, Dolby Atmos. So it has Dolby Atmos speakers which they are saying it right now, and it doesn't have an auto brightness mode or auto mode, so it just has an outdoor mode for which you can turn it on as you go, and it will boost up the screen brightness. So that's it, nothing else. So now let's have a look at the camera. So over here guys, hi. So now let's take a picture of this plant. So here, as you guys can see, as the picture is not that great, like still it's like manageable for this amount and the things that they are giving it. So yeah, and so let's see what all modes it has. So it has got different modes: auto, beauty, pro mode, which you can manually adjust everything, panorama, night mode, and HDR mode. And it has also some stickers if you want to try it out. So let's try some stickers. So that's funny. And it has continuous shots, which it's like a rapid fire of the shots that you might be taking of something fast moving item or like that. And full view screen and all other features, settings where you can change all the things according to you. And it has something new that's in the front facing camera, and that's in this one selfie where you can adjust the flash over here, as you can see in this flash. So you can auto. So right now it was on auto. I switched it on, so now I can manually change the brightness according to how much I want it. So over here now, this is the second one, and this is the level 1, as you guys can see. So that's something new that Samsung has done. So now let's go back. So that's all guys for the Samsung Galaxy J6 overview. So let me know how you feel about this smartphone in the comment section below, and the link to the mobile phone will be in the description down below. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button hard, and if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys.